In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 4 flyers on one page in Canva. Let's dive right in, starting with a few basics to set the stage for you. First things first, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you haven't already signed up, it's pretty straightforward. Just follow the steps on their site. Now, assuming you're logged in, let's move on to selecting our workspace. For this project, we're going to work with an A4 canvas. This size is perfect for printing 4 flyers on a single page without any hassle, and since it's a standard size, it's easily accessible and ready for print anywhere. Once you've selected your A4 canvas, let's ensure our layout work is precise by enabling the guides and rulers, a nifty tool Canva has for aligning elements on your design. To activate these guides and rulers, navigate to the File option found in the top left corner of your Canva interface. Clicking it will drop down a menu of settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. Here you'll find an option labeled Show Rulers and Guides. Turn it on to make sure everything stays neat and tidy. Next up, we need to divide the canvas into 4 equal sections, as this is essential for placing each flyer precisely. The grid layout will assist you in keeping each flyer well-sized and appropriately positioned, ensuring your final print output looks polished and professional. If you already have some flyer designs uploaded, head over to the Uploads tab. Select the file you want to use. If you haven't uploaded your design yet, feel free to do that quickly. Once your design is chosen, you'll need to adjust its size to fit within one of these sections. You can click and drag the corners of the flyer to resize it appropriately and position it within a quadrant on the canvas. Now that the first flyer is in place, you can easily copy it to fill the remaining 3 sections. Canva makes it simple. Just select the flyer, copy it, and reposition each duplicate in the next segment of the grid. Don't forget to double-check the alignment and spacing using the rulers and guides. Repeat these steps to ensure each flyer is perfectly situated. Once all 4 are in place, take a moment to preview your canvas and confirm that everything is aligned correctly. This last-minute check can help catch any minor adjustments needed before heading to print. And there you have it. 4 flyers perfectly arranged on a single page, ready to be printed and shared. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that you'll create some amazing designs using these tips. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for more helpful tips in Canva and beyond.